Many times, students and professionals receive or download a single PDF but only need one chapter or a few pages to submit. Professionals also face this issue when they want to send only a specific section of a report. Instead of sharing the full PDF file, splitting the PDF is the easiest solution. There are many online tools that split PDFs, but they require you to upload your file. For better privacy and safety, we'll use an offline tool called SysWeak PDF Editor. You can download it from the link given in the description. Let us begin. Open your PDF in SysWeak PDF Editor, go to the top menu and click on Page. For this example, we'll split this PDF into two parts, one from these pages and another from these pages. Now select the group of pages you want to split. Each group you select will become a new PDF file. For example, select one group of pages from here to here. Then select another group from here to here. Now we have selected two groups. This means the software will create two separate PDF files for these page ranges. It will also create one extra PDF containing all the pages that were not selected. Once your selection is complete, click on this split button. If needed, you can also choose to split only even pages or only odd pages. Next, select the option Create multiple PDFs for each range. Now click OK, and that is it. Your PDF is now split into different files. The split PDF files are saved in the same folder as the original file. Here you can see all the newly created PDFs. This method is very helpful for students submitting assignments and professionals sharing specific parts of a document without sending the full file. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below and share this video with others who work with PDFs.